I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet with Binance. First, understand that direct linking like a bank account isn't how crypto wallets work. Instead, you transfer assets between them. We'll guide you through the process of moving your cryptocurrencies from Binance to Trust Wallet, and then from Trust Wallet back to Binance, ensuring your funds are always secure and accessible. Let's get started with the first method. To send funds from Binance to your Trust Wallet, begin by opening your Binance app and navigating to the Withdraw section. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Next, open your Trust Wallet, find the same cryptocurrency, and copy its receiving address. It's crucial to select the identical network on both Binance and Trust Wallet, for example, BEP20 or ERC20. Paste the address into Binance, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction details carefully. When you want to move assets from Trust Wallet to Binance, the process is similar but reversed. First, go to your Binance account and locate the Deposit section. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Binance will provide you with a unique deposit address and specify the required network. Copy this address. Then, open your Trust Wallet, select the same cryptocurrency, tap Send, paste the Binance deposit address, and confirm that the network matches before finalizing the transfer. Always double-check everything. Security is paramount when transferring crypto. Always, and I mean always, double-check that the network you select on both platforms is identical, and verify the wallet address character by character. A single mistake can lead to permanent loss of funds. For larger transfers, consider sending a small test amount first to confirm everything works correctly. This extra step can save you from potential headaches. Also, for other great deals and the link to the Owala water bottle, check the description below. Stay safe and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.